Just a quick demo of our Trax holder. I think you've seen it under production. Look how easily the tracks come out of there. Just a quick flip of the lever. You can lock them in if you need to. And the nice thing is that it doubles up as a table. So once your tracks are in place, you can then, if you're not using your tracks, you can use the table and drop it down to create a side table, which is in front of the cupboard. And if you want to access into the cupboard, obviously you can actually physically drop it even lower, so it goes all the way to allow you easier access in. Bear in mind that obviously getting into the cupboard can be difficult if there's a big table in the way. So it works really nicely just to be able to do that, pop it back together and close it up again, and you're in business. There's a lot of mechanics in this unit because we needed to be able to cover all the necessary parts to it, so hence having to have it to be able to turn and flip in either area. Once it's up and in, you lock the top catch and you're done. Well done, Warwick, just inside a minute.